Hello and welcome to Crochetsmash. Today we are going to make a hat just like this one. The video for this how to make this flower was already in the channel, so I will give a link to that one. So let us begin. To make the hat we need two colors of yarn, and I am going to use 5 mm hook. This yarn is was a medium weight yarn, and the hook is 5 mm hook and a measuring tape, and I have the scissors and I have my yarn needle. So let us start making a magic circle. Insert the hook we are going to make double crochet. So the beginning one is like a chain 2, then we are going to make 11 double crochet. So we have 12 double crochets in the magic circle. The beginning chain 2 is considered as the first double crochet. Now we tighten the magic circle. Now slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Now in the next round we are going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So chain 2, which is the first double crochet, then another double crochet, then repeat like 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. Now we have 24 double crochet in the second round. We will slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Now we are going to make a chain 2, which is considered as the first double crochet. In the next stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next one, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. This is an increasing round. Every second stitch we are increasing 1 double crochet. We finished the third round. Now we are going to make the fourth round, chain 2, which is the first double crochet. Then in the next stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. Then in the next one we are going to make 2 double crochet. So in the next one, 1 double crochet, the next one, 1 double crochet. On the third stitch we are going to do the increase. Now we are finishing the fourth round, and we are going to make a fifth round. Chain 2, then 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet. On the fourth stitch we are increasing. Now we finished the fifth row. Now let us measure. I'm hoping to get about 5 inches. Oh no, that's 6 inches. 5.5 to 6 inches is enough to make a cap for a preteen. So this will be enough for the purpose. Now we are going to make a, we stopped decreasing. Now I am going to make one single crochet in each of the stitches. Now if we finished making the single crochets in each of the stitches, now I'm going to drop the purple and I'm going to attach the pink and finish the slip stitch. Now we are going to make chain 2. We are going to crochet over the tail of the pink yarn. I'm going to make it 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then I'm going to skip the next 2, then going to make 3 double crochet. Then skip the next 2, make 3 double crochet in the next stitch. Now we finished. Now we finish this round and we are going to slip stitch to the top of this chain 2. We are not going to slip stitch with the pink. We are going to slip stitch with the purple right below that. So you just grab it. Then chain 2. We will make it 2 double crochets in this when we come back. So we are going to the next space. We are going to make 3 double crochet. We make 3 double crochet in the space between the clusters of the previous round. Now we are going to repeat this pattern till we reach the height for the hat approximately 7 inches, and we will meet again and make an edge for this one. Now let us measure the hat. It's a little over 7 inches in height, so I guess that will be enough, and we'll cut this pink yarn and lock it in place. We can weave that in later. I'm going to grab my purple. I'm going to make an edging of a double crochet. We are going to make a double crochet. Since we were skipping 2 stitches there, we are going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, then 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. We don't have to go there. 1, 2, 3, yes, here. Get the yarn and make chain 2, 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, when we finish the row 1, then we are going to make again one more row of double crochets, or you can, if you want a larger brim, you can choose to make 3 rows of or 4 rows of double crochet. I'm going to stop with this at the end of the second row of double crochet. Then we can just lock this one in place, and you can stitch. Use your yarn needle to go through the few stitches to weave the yarn end. To complete the spring vibe, we can add a small flower on top of it. Just add a button. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. You can visit my website at crochetsmash.com, or you can tag me on social media on Facebook at Crochetsmash. And uh, see you next time till with a new pattern. Till then, bye bye.